Blade 1, relay, emergency scramble. Slick 3-1 is down near Anvil's position. Priority passengers aboard. Status unknown. Follow-on aircraft are being pushed from the north, but they will not make the first window. Launch immediately. Initial heading 211. Distance to coast, 40 miles, then 10 miles inland to Anvil. Contact Copperhead once established southbound.
Blade 1, Copperhead. I am near the contact area, 10 miles inland from the coast. I have the crash smoke in sight. Anvil is pinned about 500 feet west of the wreck. Enemy fire is coming from south of the crash site.
Relay, Blade 1 airborne.
Blade 1, relay, good copy. Proceed heading 211 from runway. 40 miles to coast, 10 inland to crash site. Threat advisory. Intel says 4 AA trucks blocked at a bridge 4 miles south of the crash site. Bridge is out. Do not press south looking for them.
Blade copies. 211. 40 miles. 10 inland to site. AA trucks blocked south. Do not press south of crash site. Copperhead, Blade 1, checking in southbound, heading 211.
Blade 1, Copperhead. Good copy. Sitrep follows. Slick 3-1 is down near the village buildings. Black smoke visible. Anvil is pinned approximately 500 feet west of the crash site. They have not reached the wreck. Enemy contacts are southwest of the crash site, roughly 800 feet from the wreck, moving slowly northeast through the trees. They are firing north toward Anvil's position.
Blade copies. Slick 3-1 at Black Smoke. Anvil 500 feet west. Enemy southwest of crash site, moving northeast.
First target will be the enemy-held huts and tree line south of the crash site. Ordnance south of the crash site only. Do not attack north of the wreck.
Blade copies. Ordnance south of crash site only.
Anvil will mark with green smoke when you are closer. Green smoke is friendly. Do not drop on or north of green smoke. Expect first pass with napalm, northeast to southwest, across the south side of the crash site buildings. I will clear you hot once smoke is confirmed.
Copperhead, Blade 1, approaching the coast, looking for smoke.
Blade 1, Copperhead, copy. Anvil, mark your position.
Green smoke on Anvil. Red smoke on contacts south of our position.
Blade has green and red smoke.
Green smoke is Anvil, friendlies west of the wreck. Red smoke marks enemy southwest of the crash site. Request napalm northeast to southwest onto red smoke, approximately heading 240. Keep it south of the wreck and away from green smoke.
Blade copies. 240. South of the wreck and covering red smoke. Away from green smoke.
Blade 1, cleared hot.
Anvil copies. Heads down.
Good hit, Blade. Fire across the south side. Enemy fire is breaking up.
Copperhead, Anvil. That did it. We're moving to the wreck.
Watch south and southeast of the crash site. No ordnance north of the wreck.
Anvil is moving 200 yards from crash site.
Blade, Anvil is closing on Slick 3-1. Hold your fire near the wreck
at the wreck. Stand by.
Blade, orbit north or east. Keep eyes south. If they move again, I'll put you back in.
Copperhead, Anvil. Pilot's dead. We have passengers in the back.
Anvil, confirm priority passenger.
Stand by. Copperhead, Anvil. We have Lantern and one passenger. Alive, wounded, not walking. Copperhead, relay. Confirm Lantern alive?
Relay, Copperhead. Anvil confirms Lantern alive at the wreck.
All stations, relay. Lantern is priority. Keep enemy forces away from crash site. Copperhead, Anvil. Other passenger says he needs the radio.
Put him through.
Copperhead, this is Ledger. We blew the bridge south to stop AA trucks coming through. Lantern says if they know he survived, reinforcements will come fast from the west. Probably here right now. We need evacuation now.
Copperhead, Anvil. Unit is taking gunfire from the tree line, west side of town.
I see movement. Stand by. Oh hell, a lot of movement. Blade, Copperhead. I have multiple contacts west of the town. Blade, target is tree line west side of town. All ordnance past the west side. Keep it off green smoke and the wreck.
Blade copies. Tree line west side of town. Clear of green smoke and wreck.
Anvil, keep your heads down. Blade is coming back in.
Anvil copies. We need that tree line to the west hit now.
Blade 1, cleared hot. Blade, Anvil just hit a vehicle. Use that as your mark. Blade, no more movement. We'll keep eyes on.
Copperhead, Ledger. Lantern is convinced the whole army is back there after him. We need evac.
Copperhead, Mace 1. Flight of 3 with Snake and Nape. Closing in from the north. Confirm we are still required.
Mace 1, Copperhead. Affirm, you are required. Friendlies are at the crash site. Green smoke marks Anvil west of black smoke. Enemy movement west and southwest of town. Clear the outer line and keep anything else from pushing to the crash site.
Mace copies. Friendly's green smoke. Wreck black smoke. Hit west and southwest of town.
Stand by. I have movement south. Blade, Copperhead. New priority. Single AA truck setting up 1 mile south the crash site. Just south of the bridge over the closest river mouth. Cleared hot.
Blade copies. Single AA truck, 1 mile south.
Good hit. Truck is burning. Blade, come east. Loiter over the water just off the coast. Stay clear while Mace works the west side.
Copperhead, Mace 1, in hot. 30 seconds. 10 seconds.
Southwest is suppressed. Stay with us. You will cover Dustoff and Copperhead exfil.
Mace 1.
Dustoff 3-1, Copperhead. Proceed to crash site and pick up Anvil and passengers. Mace has escort.
Dustoff, heading to crash site.
Blade 1, Copperhead. You are clear to RTB north. Great work.
Blade 1, relay. Confirm, RTB north. Long flight ahead of you. Keep in touch with fuel updates, and we will talk options.